Hey, what's happening now? Just Jake's Black Rock on Snow. Hey, it's about 11 o'clock. I've been kind of slow moving today. Man, I'm so lucky to have a guy like David working with me because he is an animal, dude. David is an animal. I mowed my yard today and I put some flea killer and all that stuff down. And also, a client of mine has a big brown spot in her yard, and True Green, like, her yard's treated and it like looks really good except for this one big spot. It's kind of wet, but it doesn't hold that much water, and it's like brown, and like True Green told her to put sand on it, and they came out and I guess that they put lime and did some treating. They did something to it, but I guess that they told her to buy sand and put it down. She called me this morning and told me if I could put sand down there for her, and I told her sure, but for some reason I'm thinking, now tell me if I'm wrong here, guys, I'm thinking that it would probably be better to aerate it and overseed it and try to get more grass to grow in that area. But if everything's brown and dying, well, how much sense does that really make to put more seed down too? So I don't really know what, my question, I don't really know what lime does to your yard. It's got to be good for it. I hear people do it all the time. And why would True Green say that? Maybe I'm going to try to get some pictures and maybe a short video and drop it in here of my client's yard, because I'm not driving all the way over there, but I'm gonna text her and maybe we can figure this out. But I gotta get over to the cemetery. We'll be having that finished up today. David bought a new machine. So it's gonna make our life a lot easier. But I'm thinking I need to hire another weed eater guy, I'm pretty sure, so we're gonna focus on that too. So we'll catch up with you. Hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hey, this is all a learning journey, man. And the thing is, I've been blessed along the way, because not everybody has a freak show like David who can help you work every day, and who's got equipment. And I've been blessed in that manner. I've been blessed to have an awesome wife and a great kid, but an awesome wife that allows me to quit my steady, stable job and pursue my dreams. I would rather do that, guys. And that's up to you when starting this business, because now it's a hot topic right now, talking about starting a business. A lot of people's doing it. A lot of people's out of work, but some people value steady income. Because you can create steady income, believe me. If you want the work, there's a whole bunch of work. There's so much work out here. There's an abundance of work. There's a lot of work, more than you could handle. But a lot of people just want that 6-week paid vacation and stuff, and that steady stability, which is fine. That's cool. I would rather have the winters off, and I would rather pursue my dreams. But to each his own. Man, it's hard. There's guys out here that's failed. There's no reason, or I'm not saying that I'm going to be some great big conglomerate and a big, huge business. I hope I don't fail. That's my only goal, but it's a possibility. Failure is a part of success too. So we're gonna get to the cemetery. I gotta get up here and get running around. I gotta go get a spare. I'm gonna go buy a spare tire today. So we'll catch back with you here in a little bit. All right, y'all. Look at Dave's new unit he just bought here. He got a pretty good deal on it, but we got one issue with it. This is why he got a really, really good deal. He got a great deal, but look at all that oil. I don't know if y'all can tell.
It's nice to be moist.
It's moist. So I guess what are you gonna do? Just mow for a little bit, dump some oil in?
Yep.
You might blow it up.
Nah. It's an X-Mark. You'll be all right.
It's nice. I mean, it's older.
Yeah.
Is that 61?
60.
That's big boy stuff. Missing a scalp wheel. I like it though. Change all new seals on it, put all new gaskets on it, tear that whole engine down. today. I'm actually got done a little bit earlier when I thought. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna get started on a project at another person's house, or another client's house rather. Me and Kayla's gonna get some Chipotle real quick. But while she's ordering that, I got to get some sand. Like I was talking at the beginning of the video, True Green wants to put sand out. I'm still kind of confused about it, but she said go ahead. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot, buy a couple 50 pound bags or 40 pound bags of sand, spread it, or mow, then spread the sand, and then do all that. So I'm gonna get her out of the way for tomorrow, and then tomorrow we'll do all the residential. But we got like 3 days of rain coming in this week, so be juggling that. Hopefully the rain passes. Today was a beautiful day, man. Having 260s in that 44 out on that cemetery, and then a handful of guys weed eating. It just, when you're able to maintain something weekly, and that cold snap we had the other day, it really stunned the grass, so we was able to get the cemetery done really quick. So that's a good thing too. What else? Do I need to? I don't know. I think I'm all out of words.
I skinned my knee.
Kayla skinned her knee. So hit that like button for Kayla's knee. Hit that subscribe button. Let's stroke my ego. Let's stroke my ego. Hit that subscribe button. Hey, and go out check out Ray's channel. If he gets 1,000 subscribers, Ray's Lawn Care. Just type in Ray's Lawn Care, you'll find him. Just saying, man. Hey, if they get 1,000 subscribers, Wizard Wade is gonna he's gonna shave his beard and shave his beard and his head off, so he's gonna be completely bald. Actually, he just said his face, but I think if they get 1,000 subs, I think actually Ray should shave his head bald. That's what I'm thinking. You know, hell, it'll grow back. Well, I don't know at his age. Not sure. All right. You gonna say anything?
Bye.
All right, later, y'all. It just stays. It's just all, like you can tell, it's just a big brown spot in the yard where all the whole yard's treated. There's no dandelions, there's no weeds, there's no nothing. But in this one spot, there's all kinds of weeds. It's brown, the grass doesn't grow, it's patchy, there's a bunch of moss. Now that I don't know either. Now, if their septic field was here, now that would mean the tank is under here underground, right? He looks so peaceful.